All right, today we are going to jump into some CarbRite diet, and they are extra rich in fudgy brownies with chocolate chips. So this is going to be a baking and a review. We're super excited. We're trying to see if the 1.5 or actually 1 gram of net carbs tastes good. We found some other like carby type options that are good on the keto diet, but we're going to see how these are. And just to let you know, if you are looking for any of the perfect keto products, we have a huge, massive discount down below. So definitely, if you like perfect keto, check out the massive discount below that we have just for you guys. All right, for these here, it takes 3 eggs. It takes a half a cup of butter, which is 1 stick, and 1 teaspoon of water. You want to make sure that the butter is softened. If you got it out of your fridge, you can go ahead and put it in the microwave for about 15 to 20 seconds. It'll be ready to go. Now here on the bottom, this has a little tip on it. For fudge-like brownies, bake for less time. For cake-like brownies, bake for more time. So we're going to try 35 minutes for how they are. So let's go ahead and get into the macros and what's in here. So you see here, it's got a total of 12 grams of fat when it's baked. It also has, let's see, carbs. It's got 19 carbs, but don't get scared because it also has 3 grams of fiber and 15 sugar alcohols, which makes it 1 net carb, which is kind of awesome. So it's got chocolate chips in there. It also has vanilla. It has, let's see, whole milk powder. It's got maltitol, sorbitol, inulin, and then it also has cocoa, whole wheat flour, whey protein, wheat gluten, and artificial vanilla flavor with salt. So we're pretty excited about this 1 gram of carbs. Let's see how it is. If so, we'll have a link below if it is super yummy and delicious. All right, so we're gonna take our 3 eggs. We're gonna beat those. We're going to add in our mix. We're going to add in our softened butter. All right, and I know you're not supposed to eat raw eggs, but the batter actually tastes pretty good. All right, so we went ahead and put it in there for 30 minutes. Looks pretty well done. It says that we need to chill it in the refrigerator for 1 hour. So let's get that and then we'll try it. So it definitely has a good texture. It almost tastes like a piece of cake or a brownie. The edges have a nice crunch. Tastes more towards like the dark chocolate flavor. But if you look here, the top has a little bit of almost like a cookie crust, and then the lower part is more gooey and more cakey. It's pretty yummy. I better save some of this for my wife so she can try it. That's actually really good. Super chocolatey. You can taste the butteriness of it. It's not super dry like a lot of other keto low carb items. It's pretty yummy. I definitely have to give this one a thumbs up. Once again, it's the CarbRite Diet Extra Rich and Fudgy Brownies. And if I didn't split them in half, it would be even thicker and probably be more cakey. Next, we're going to go ahead and try these guys here, which are the CarbRite Blondies. So we'll be doing a review video of those soon. But I can definitely tell you we'll probably be getting some more of these because that is pretty tasty. So hopefully this was informative. If it was, smack that thumbs up and check out our next video on keto. And remember, once again, if you are using any of the Perfect Keto products, we've got a massive discount coupon code down below. It'll be the first link in the description. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your support. We'll see you next time.